So I had made video on KYC AMLs, but somehow it was lost. I had prepared 176 videos. So now I will be making it afterwards. So today we will start with the cash department. So let's begin. 50 questions are there. First question: the color of the new note is stone gray, and the predominant new theme is Indian heritage site, which is Red Fort. It's B. The size of the new 500 rupee note is 66 mm by 150 mm. How many bleed lines are there on new 500 rupee note? So it's 5 bleed lines. 500 rupees note, 5 bleed line. This you can remember. For the question, as per RBI instructions, rupees 2000 can be exchanged at 19 RBI offices up to a limit of rupees 20,000. We can exchange 20,000 at one time. Fifth question, specified banknotes cessation of liabilities ordinance 2016 in terms of section 5 of the ordinance from December 31, 2016. No person shall knowingly or voluntarily hold, transfer or receive any specified banknotes after the expiry of grace period holding of not more than 10 notes in total, irrespective of denomination, is allowed. Sixth part, same question. After the expiry of grace period, holding of not more than for the purpose of study, research, numismatics. So it's C. So if you want to have study, research, numismatics, then 25 is permitted. And in normal circumstances, only 10 are permitted. Seventh, counterfeit currency notes written and impounded at the branch are required to be reported on a real-time basis directly to corporate center. And so effective monitoring the application can be accessed at which URL. So it's cr.statebanktimes.in. Eighth, manual preparation and submission of the counterfeit currency reporting has been discontinued. From which date? So its answer is 1/10/2016. So manual submission has been discontinued after 1st October 2016. We have to submit it digitally. So ninth, the currency chest should invariably report all transactions to eCobear on the same day by -PM. So we have to report by 9 p.m. to eCobear. The currency chest will be reporting by 9 p.m. Then question, currency held by non-chest branches of SBI is the property of the bank itself, SBI. The chest branches are the properties of RBI, but non-chest branches, it is the property of SBI. 11th question, strong room fitness certificate has to be renewed once in a year. Well, balances in currency transactions account are transferred to FSLO on last working day of, let's say. So in currency transaction accounts, they are transferred to FSLO on last working day of April and October. 13. Excess cash found in the cash balance of a SWO has to be credited to. So excess balance is credited to sundry deposit account. 14. The deposit and withdrawal of cash box in from vault under IBCH will be entered in. So cash box receipt delivery register. So whatever you are depositing and withdrawing in of cash box and from the vault. It will be entered in cash box receipt delivery register. 15. Cash held in the cash box overnight will be treated as branch cash balance. So if you have left the cash in cash box, it is branch cash balance. Specific gravity of pure gold, it is 19.3. Cash officer is responsible for it's all of the above. He is responsible for purity, weight, and value of the gold. 18. Gold ornaments of deceased borrower pending their settlement will have to be kept in. So it will be kept in safe deposit articles. So deceased borrower gold ornaments will have to be kept in safe deposit articles. Vault register will always be kept in. So vault register will be kept in strong room. 20. Minimum transaction that can be made through currency chest. So it's B. 1 lakh and in multiples of 50,000 thereof. So like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, like that you can do to a currency chest. So currency chest is the property of, as we already seen, it's Reserve Bank of India. Small coin depot consists of coins below rupees 1. So small coin depot, it's coins below rupees 1. S- Small coin depot is the property of Government of India. Rupees 1's notes are issued by, it's issued by Government of India. So small coin depot is the property of Government of India. Rupees 1 notes are issued by the Government of India. Both have the same answer. 25th, minimum withdrawal deposit in SCD, which is small coin depot. So how much we can do? We can do 100 minimum, and after that multiples of 50. 26th, small coin depot transactions are to be reported to. We have to report to FSLO. FSLO will be dealing with small coin depot transactions. E-note policy is governed by Section 35A of RBI Act. Clean note policy is governed by Section 35A of RBI Act. 28. Relationship between RBI and SBI in case of currency chess. It is A, principal and agent. So RBI is the principal, SBI is the agent. This is an important question. It's asked directly many times. Single person preparing the note packet is responsible for both quality and quantity up to 200. So single person preparing the note packet is responsible for both quality and quantity up to 200 rupees. IBCH, overnight cash retention limit. It is 50,000. IBCH can retain cash up to 50,000. In branch, cash handling is applicable to. So 31st, it's C, all branches. All branches are applicable for in-branch cash handling, which is IBCH, and whose cash retention limit overnight is 3,000, as we know. Okay, so 32nd. For 500 and 200, person preparing the note packet is responsible for that quantity only. As we have seen here, if the single person preparing the note is responsible for both quantity and quality up to 200, But for 500 and 200, the person preparing the note packet is responsible for quantity only. 33rd, balances in currency chest have to be verified by new official other than the joint custodians once in once in 2 months. The difference between total days total withdrawals and days total deposits in the chest is currency transfer. So the total withdrawals in a day and the total deposits, in difference of that as a reference to the chest, this currency transfer. Certificate. The certificate of chest balance as on dash is submitted to RBI by the chest branch. So it's 31st May. So the chest balance certificate is submitted to RBI on 31st May. This we have to remember. In a soiled note remittance to RBI, if more than dash percent of notes is found to be issuable notes, then entire remittance will be returned by RBI at sending bank's cost. So it's 10. तो अगर 10% से ज़्यादा नोट अगर इशूएबल है, आप सॉइल नोट भेजे हो, ब्रांच भेजती है आरबीआई को, और 10% से ज़्यादा अगर इशूएबल आरबीआई फाइन करती है, तो सारा आरबीआई रिटर्न कर देगी एट बैंक्स कॉस्ट. So, name of the cash register to record exchange of cash between SWOs in cash department. So it's cash receipt delivery register. SWO के बीच में अगर कैश एक्सचेंज होता है तो कैश रिसिप्ट डिलीवरी रजिस्टर में होता है 38. What type of insurance cover is obtained for cash remittance? So cash remittance हम करते हैं तो ट्रांजिट इंश्योरेंस कवर लेते हैं, बैंक लेती है कैश रेमिटेंसेस के लिए. Okay, 39. As per the latest instructions of the RBI, if AIR has to be lost in case of fake currency notes, if the number of notes is, तो अगर आपके पास 5 या ज़्यादा नोट फेक आता है कोई जमा करने, तो आपको एफआईआर रजिस्टर करना होता है. 40 days net withdrawal deposit to report it to FSLO through. So ये FSLO को हम लोग इकोबेर से रिपोर्ट करते हैं. Verification of currency chest balances by officials other than joint custodian is done at. So 41st answer is once in 2 months. ये रिपीट क्वेश्चन है, पहले भी आया था. ये जॉइंट कस्टोडियन के अलावा अगर करेंसी चेस्ट है तो 2 महीने में एक बार होता है. इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. The price verification of critical currency chests is made by LHO8. So quarterly interval में सरप्राइज वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रिटिकल करेंसी चेस्ट हो सकता है. 43rd. Which of the following is true when remittance is sent from one currency chest to another currency chest? So इनमें से क्या ट्रू है? कोई भी एंट्री पास नहीं होती है ब्रांच कैश बैलेंस और आरबीआई अकाउंट से रिलेटेड जब रेमिटेंस एक करेंसी चेस्ट दूसरे करेंसी चेस्ट में होता है. 44th. Charges towards police escorts, transport, etc. for chest-to-chest remittance of treasure is paid initially by bank, then reimbursed by RBI. So initially bank pay करता है charges, police escorts, transport, etc. और chest-to-chest remittance के लिए, जो कि बाद में RBI reimburse कर देता है. Repository is part of currency chests. Repository currency chest का part है. 46th. Printing and circulation of forged Indian currency notes is an offense. तो हमें पता है कि इंडियन करेंसी नोट को अगर फोर्स करके आप प्रिंट या सर्कुलेट करते हो तो ऑफेंस है. उसका सेक्शन याद रख लो. सेक्शन है Section 489 A to 489 E of Indian Penal Code, आईपीसी के सेक्शन 489 ए से ई तक ये ऑफेंस है। ये आप डिस्क्रिप्टिव में भी है, इसका सपोर्ट कर इसको सपोर्टिंग आंसर के रूप में लिख सकते हो, सो यू कैन लर्न दिस। 47th, force node vigilance cell of the bank is required to submit data on counterfeit notes detected during a month on all India basis by email to dash before the end of succeeding month. So आपको करेंसी मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आरबीआई मुंबई इसको सबमिट करना होता है डेटा, जो कि बैंक सबमिट करती है ड्यूरिंग अ मंथ। ओके। 48 fidelity insurance cover for single window operator is obtained from C। तो fidelity इंश्योरेंस कवर जो है एक सिंगल विंडो ऑपरेटर के लिए 5 लाख तक का वो तो होता है। 49, recounting of node package is not required for denomination up to, अगर 200 तक का पैकेट है तो रिकाउंटिंग का जरूरत नहीं होता है। 200 के ऊपर 500 का है तो आपको रिकाउंटिंग करना होता है। up to 200 it's not required। 50 question, who will be responsible for tampered bundles node packets kept in the vault। so जॉइंट कस्टडियन जो होते हैं वॉल्ट के, वो टेम्पर्ड बंडल या नोट पैकेट्स के रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं दैट आर केप्ट इन द वॉल्ट। सो वी हैव डिस्कस 50 क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू कैश डिपार्टमेंट। एक बार हम लोग सब पढ़ लेते हैं तो वी कैन, आई विल गिव द पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस आल्सो। थैंक यू।